I'm going to show you my bendy rainbow method so that you understand how to read tab, get it in your head as quick as possible. Let's go. Here we are, I've got my trusty whiteboard. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my marker here and I'm going to draw 6 lines representing the strings. So those guys there represent the strings. So these 6 lines. Now those are the strings. This is the head nut. This is that plastic bit at the top of your guitar neck where the head meets. That bit there, that's what that is there. So that's the bit where the strings sit on. If I do these lines here, that's a fret wire. This is another fret wire. So that would be the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, etc. Okay, hopefully that makes sense there, guys. But that is a chord box. So we're going to turn this ordinary chord box into tab, and here's how we do it. What we do is we bend the fretboard, we bend the neck, and I take that line across there, so you can see that line's gone all the way across there. I'm going to do the same thing with all these strings here. So that's the other string. This is another string. This is another string. This is another string. And this is the last string. And as you can see, what's happened is we've taken that neck and then what we've done is we've bent it around so we have the 6 lines like we have in tab. Now let me tell you, tab, the word tab stands for tablature. But what we're going to do is we're going to think of that as top and bottom, or treble and bass. So treble and bass. If we look at that from that perspective, this is the E string. This is the A string, this is the D string, G string, B string, E string. And all we really have to do is chase this label down here, E. Notice how it comes around and it bends down. And you can see that that is going to be the low E string. Now, here's the thing. If I put a dot on there, if you know this from sort of chord diagrams and those kind of things, if I put a dot on there, then that's on the 1st fret, and what we're going to do is we're going to just put that there instead. So that's the 1st fret on that same corresponding string there. You can do that with anything. Look at this, I'll take that one off there and I'll show you how this works. This is going to be a chord. I'm going to put the notes on for a D chord. So we've got a D chord there, guys. This has got an open string there. We're not going to play that one and we're not going to play that one. But we don't need to put those X's on there. So that is open. It's 0. So I'm going to take that, follow it round, bend it round the rainbow. 0. Well, this one, it's on the G string, 2nd fret. Let me follow it round. 2. Do the same thing on the B string. That's on the 3rd fret. Follow it round. This one here, this is on the 2nd fret. So we follow it round. And that gives us the tab then for a D chord. So what you could do is you can join this idea to this idea because they are essentially the same thing. So this is the rainbow method. Right?